Hello, people. So, this is my sixth video of the day, and considering my past three videos were about me singing, I really have to say this, yeah, that my grandmother, my maternal grandmother, was actually one of the was a all India radio singer in during undivided India. She was actually a playback singer. So uh, the thing about singing also is, did you know that from a very scientific point of view, apparently everyone can sing. It's just, and voice quality also. Certain music requires a different quality, yeah. So you needn't have like that technically very like sweet voice to be able to sing. Some songs are they need that certain almost rough edge to the voice while singing. So that means there's hope for people like me, but not that I'd ever want to take up singing professionally or something. I do singing that it makes me happy. So, and this I think is a very profound thing, that because half our lives we spend trying to do things that will only get us something. So just just keep this in mind, people, that sometimes it's important to do things that make you happy, because if you do things that make you happy, it somewhere it makes the universe also happy. So with so much of gyan, I'll begin singing this very nice. I studied in a Christian Catholic school, convent. So that's why there are these very sweet songs that we were taught. uh, you know so this is one of them. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, all the time, let it shine. Put it under a bush, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Put it under a bush, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Put it under a bush, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine, all the time, let it shine.